Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E350 4MATIC. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz E350 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, look up front here. Memory seats, driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage on this vehicle is 56,918. And we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, navigation system, shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.